Welcome back to our channel, guys. For today's video, I want to show you some DIY project that you can do while you're on quarantine. So this is what it looks like for now, guys, because I've been moving things around the house. I removed some of the items that were originally there, and looking at it, it's not really nice. So I decided to give it a fresh look. Stay tuned, keep on watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done yet. And on the later part of the video, you will see the final look of this. Just stay tuned and yeah, keep on watching. Hope you learned something from me today. First on the list, I found this empty wine bottle. So I like the color. I think it's gonna be a good addition to that area. So first thing I did, I tried to remove the label. So you can slowly remove that label. And then I have the glue gun. I have this glue gun for a long time. I bought this in Canadian Tire. The one close to me is Canadian Tire 389 Canby store. So I just sprayed the glue gun. Make sure that you cover the entire label, and you can use the paper towel to wipe it off. There you go. All the labels are gone, and we only need to remove the top part, the where the golden label is, to make sure it's perfect to go. My next DIY is my old cookie jar. I'm gonna use this cut out and glue it on the cookie jar. You can choose any lines or words that you wanna incorporate in your deco, guys. So for me, this will serve as a purpose, and I'll explain later. But for now, you need a glue gun, a glue stick, your jar, and the words that you need to incorporate on it. While I was doing my shopping around the house, guys, I found this old shoelace, and it is a good match with the color of the words on the jar. So I decided to, I just tangled it there. I did not put any glue on it, so it could easily be removed. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Next on the list is the empty tequila bottle. I will use this for my owl as the owl stand. And I added already some of this gem sticker to add some look on it. And you also need a glue gun and a glue stick to secure the owl on top of the empty bottle. I also need this tiny DIY flowers to give some nicer finished look later. So just keep on watching and follow what I did on this, so you could come up with your tiny little flowers. You can also make up big ones if you choose the bigger ones, but for me, I just needed the small one, so I'm gonna stick with this. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Dun 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 dun! Presenting jar. Just kidding, guys. So this is what it looks like. Let's start with the back part. So the flower that I used, this is actually the chandelier light that I have. This is a Christmas decor. And when I did some shopping around the house, I realized that I can use this for my DIY tiny flowers. So there you go. I used the green empty bottle as the base for this project, and I think is a good idea. So this is the owl. This is actually a Christmas ornament, and it looked perfect in there. It looks like a spring decor. Aren't they gorgeous, guys? Like, look at the owl. Like, the eyes, look at it. You know, so adorable. I so love this. Let's move forward and see what else do we have in this project. I also got here the Mama Mary, Papa Joseph, and Baby Jesus, alongside with two candle holder that I bought from the thrift store a long time ago. I added the fake candle on the two candle holder because it's more safer to use fake candles. So that's why I added it there. You can also see the bracelet rosary, and it was a gift from a friend a long time ago. If you've seen our other videos, you've noticed this lantern. I'd used it a couple times in other projects, and I think it would be a nice spot for it there on top of that beautiful candle holder. Like, there you go. You can also see other stuff in there, like the Pray for the Rosary booklet and this Singapore souvenir. It's a gift from my department supervisor. She had this vacation with her husband in Singapore, and she gave this as a present. So thank you, Maggie. Thank you for giving me this. And what else do we have here? Okay, let's move on to this cute souvenir. It's a christening souvenir from my husband's niece. Isn't it cute? So cute. And the color pink matches my candle holder. Same thing as this one. I am not sure if they DIY this or they ordered it as it is. But yeah, it was a nice thing to have. It's cute. So the wicker basket, I already have that. I bought it in a thrift store a long time ago. And this floral garland, this is actually a Christmas or Christmas decor. I just thought it's gonna look nice on this. It's kind of somewhat give an illusion of like a rosary. So yeah, I just throw it there, added it there, and I think it looks good. So what do you think, guys? Let us know your thoughts. We love reading comments. Please subscribe as well if you haven't done yet. So we also got this Our Daily Bread booklet from Ate Florence. And as you know, guys, we also need to feed our soul, our spiritual lives. Let us not forget to be thankful every day, guys. Next item, we got Dora the Explorer. So this is a battery operated, but I didn't put battery on it. I just put it there. I just love looking at it, guys. I don't know, maybe because during our childhood days, our parents, didn't really buy us toys like this. It's always the food and the money for school. That's their priority. And I'm not complaining, guys. I am so proud of what they've done for us. I'm so proud and so blessed and thankful that we have them as our parents. Another reason why I love putting it there is because it's a reminder that we all are kids at heart, and life might be busy sometimes. We might get lots of troubles, but it's a reminder that our time is running and we don't know until when are we going to be in this world. So let's try to enjoy life while we can. And I put it beside this jar because, as what this jar says, let us be your guide, balance system. This is the jar where we put our monthly expenses. So this is our gauge, or this is our guide, if how much can we spend for our wants, if we have budget for it. And shout out to my husband for doing an amazing job with our finances. And lastly, guys, this big chocolate on top of it. This is a Ferrero. I bought it last December. Why did I bought it? I think I bought it because it's supposed to be a gift for a friend, but I went off work, so until now it's sitting there, and I don't have anything really to put on top of this jar, so I just leave it there, like for now it can stay there. And I think that's it, guys. Oops, no, last one, sorry. The oil diffuser. We have this oil diffuser for a long time. I can't remember where did we bought this essential oil, but for the oil diffuser, we got this from Canadian Tire Camby, the one in downtown area. And it's a big store, guys. So if you haven't been there, go ahead, check it out. You will find lots of amazing things there. I think we're done, guys. This is the final look. I hope you like it, and don't forget to give thanks for all the blessings that we receive and pray for our frontliners. Let's be proud of what they're doing.